Today we are going to learn navigation link and link. The difference between in these two is that when you want to push from one view to another view, then you will use navigation link, and when you want to open a web link on your mobile browser, then you will use link. So here I created one demo for you in which you can see that I created one vertical stack, and in that there are three elements: spacer, again a vertical space, and again a spacer. These two spacers I use just for spacing purpose, and in between that I created one V stack. This is the V stack, and in this V stack I created two view. First is navigation link and another is link. This is the navigation link and this is the link. So uh, when you want to push from one view to another view, definitely you have to use navigation view. Then you can view from one view to another view. That is why I put all this content in the navigation view. So here is the navigation link in which I provided one destination view, that is the detail view. Here is the detail view. In detail view I am just showing one text field. It is loading. So yeah, so this is the text I am showing in the detail view. So in navigation link you provide one destination, means view for which you want to push from one view to another view. You want to provide another view. Here detail view I provided, and the text which you want to show. Here I wrote navigation to detail page. So once you will click on this one, then you will navigate to this detail view. So here you can see that I came to this screen. Now link. In the link you can see that I provided one destination URL, Google URL, and I provided a text and one image in H stack. So here is the text and here is the image, and uh, this H stack is the content of this link, and the destination of this link is this Google URL. So once you will click on this link, you will navigate to your mobile browser. It will not run here. We have to launch our simulator, then you can see that it is working or not. Yeah. So once we click on this one, navigate to Google, then we navigated to our Safari browser. So here that particular URL open. So yeah, so in this tutorial you have seen that how you can use navigation link and link. Navigation link to push from one view to another view, and link to open a URL. So in this tutorial we learn these two view, and in next tutorial we will learn how you can use navigation toolbar. For now, thanks. Bye.